real-world industrial use cases. So here, this is autonomous drones for fire hazard detection in remote industrial sites. So in this case, drones are running agents locally looking for environmental cues. For instance, the smoke, rapid heat shift, or temperature anomalies. When something happens, the drones can act directly, no need to wait for the cloud. So no internet connection, no cloud connectivity. And then the drone can instantly trigger an alert, start response system, or notify the systems nearby. And then if there are other drones or edge devices, for instance, the safety officer tablet is nearby, all these devices can collaborate, share context and coverage directly without relying on the centralized orchestrator. So this is autonomy in action built for the field. An agentix-native solution enables continuous operation even during communication blackouts.